Was goody, was goody, was goody. Yes, sir.
Sir.
It's your man's Flacko.
It's your boy Easy. If this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You too was
you
goody.
shitting about, fuckers you licking about. Hey.
I know.
¿Qué pasó,
You
Estúpido.
fell
¿Qué
for the
mierda
trend.
hablas, estúpido?
You fell for the trend.
What's the trend?
That little shit you just pulled off right now.
What happened? You don't like the trend?
Bro, that... Bro,
The guys do it, you know, right?
Yeah, that don't look good on you, bro.
¿Sabes qué te hijo de puta, mamabicho, boludo? ¿Qué te fucking pasa aquí?
Shit, bro.
What? What
Nothing.
are you talking about, bro?
Nothing.
The fuck lit up, you. Fuck lit up.
Shut up.
Mi gente latina. Tenemos a Trueno, Atrevido. Atrévete, salta del closet.
Finish.
Shot by Ballve. Estúpido. ¿Qué más quieres?
Saludos a toda mi gente latina.
Claro que sí. Chequea el Patreon y chequea the Twitch. Let's get it.
You know, hey. Yeah. Atrevido, bye. You know. Hey, soy el vocero del ghetto. Me voy para el estudio y no me sale malo el estribo. Wow, damn, pelo que...
Hey, you know who that is though, right? Huh?
Trueno.
This is what makes it loud from the video, right?
Input, yes. Yes, sir.
That's Nicki Nicole's boyfriend. Despiértate cuando anda
No,
contigo.
that's the same dude?
Yeah.
What was he wearing, a hat last time?
No sé, pero despiértate.
Despiértate, Joshua, despiértate.
Digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Por el bajo haciendo ruido. Nino, pimo. Por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más tiro. Soy el vocero del guero. Me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un escribo. Ve lo que digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Por el bajo haciendo ruido. Nino,
Ooh, fresh.
That was hard, right? The boat scene. The fuck is wrong with my hat, bro?
Fresh.
Haciendo ruido, el barrio no quiere más tiro. Le pongo carácter, TR1 en el marker. Yo hago que lloren, que salten. A la parte y la parto en parte. Son mis negros mejor que antes. A todos tus negros le queda grande. Yo forteando por Alicante. La bonita, guacho. Ya, flow de negro y cobro en blanco, wey. Camino con el flow intacto, camino con el flow intacto. En la boca llegan los barcos, en la boca de la los parto. Mucho raperido.
That beat fire as hell, bro.
He said Boca, it means like in el Boca Le Parto or the Boca Juniors as well.
Que se me come la movie, son actores de reparto. Vos solo decime cuándo y cuánto. Vos decime cuánto. Si una vez me caigo 4 veces me levanto.
Hey, you know the beat? It goes. You know the instrument that they have like this in the band? They go.
Okay.
That's like the beat. That's like the.
What do you call that? Yeah, comment down below what you call that.
That's the box.
No, I know, but I'm talking about what you were saying.
Yeah, the instrument is called the square.
Nah, it's kind of something else.
No son pa' tanto, toda Argentina esperando contrabando. Siempre suave, nunca hablando, del barrio del tango. Mamita, me pego, ni pago, ni paro, ni pero. Lo pienso, lo grabo y me atrevo. Si soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo.
Good question, y'all. This is probably like the 4th time we see an artist from Argentina mention Boca. Are they all from the same area? Like, what's good with this, bro?
Boca's an area, right?
Boca Juniors. I don't know. Nah, Boca's not the area.
No?
It's the name of the team, Boca Juniors, but I don't think it's the name of the area.
Then why do they just say Boca? Like, yo soy el Boca.
But
like, if it's an area.
Oh, yeah, they rep in Boca Juniors. But all I gotta say is...
I guess that's the best team in Argentina, that's why, right?
Well, that's... I'm not gonna say that's the best team in Argentina, but it's like the Cowboys for the U.S. It's Argentina's team. When you think of Argentina, you think of Boca, and probably the most history. You know what I'm saying? But they have other good teams.
Yeah, Boca is the one that
Boca
I was
hasn't won a
saying. I was in Argentina too.
Boca hasn't won a Libertadores in a long time. Even made it to one. Shout out to all the Argentinians out there, though. All I gotta say is 2016, Independiente del Valle beat Boca. No, I'm just kidding. That was a long time ago.
Ve lo que digo, yo soy un coche atrevido, Mai. Por el bajo haciendo ruido, Nino, vimos, por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más flow. Ni tu bloque me conoce, lo sé. Tiro
Yeah, he got
Yo.
makeup on. You see that shit?
How old is this kid, though?
Trueno?
Bro, he looks like a fucking 16-year-old.
No. He's my age, I think.
And I don't mean in a bad way. Like he's young
He
as
looks
hell.
young.
Pro Argentinian. Or rapper. There you go, rapper.
Hey, he popping.
Oh, he's
19.
Shit. Yeah,
He's a young head, bro.
Young kid. So this happened a year ago.
Yeah, no, he's popping, bro. In Argentina,
Okay.
he's popping.
Ni tu bloque.
How does Nicki Nicole?
Nikki Nicole's young too. She's probably 20 or 19.
Oh, my young son bagged that? Okay. Shit, let me find out she older than him and he bagged that. A young pimp like me.
2
Hey,
years.
my boy doing good.
Yes, sir.
He likes the older woman like me.
Me conoce, lo sé. Tiro las guns aunque quemo los jets. Si Trueno gana, festeja las dos.
Oh, you seen his makeup? And they really put makeup on
Trueno's
his face.
makeup?
Yeah,
Okay.
look.
Lo sé.
You can just see that right there. You see it, no?
I mean, I think they do that with everybody.
Yeah.
Tiro las guns aunque quemo los jets. Si Trueno gana, festeja las 12. Yo soy del bajo bono. 4 M, todo lo
Oh,
toco
shit.
closer. 4 y 20, fumando mi mierda y bullshit. La mierda que diseña palo, me muevo por kilos. Me muevo por kilometraje, tranquilo, me traje de viaje mi estilo. Si no te contesto que estaba dormido, tengo más piquete que Estados Unidos. Lo que te da miedo caminan conmigo.
Hey, Argentina gangs are crazy, huh?
I think every soccer team has its own gang, so they're probably part of the Boca gang.
Damn.
This motherfucker's crazy,
Hey,
bro.
tu shorty me dijo que ahora estás arrepentido, que eras muy normal, muy aburrido. La traje a la boca y se quedó conmigo.
Oh,
Que te da
oh, oh.
botada de un guacho atrevido.
Bro, did he give him a microphone, bro?
Atrevido, Pedro cuenta el efectivo. Traje el morfi pa' mis tips. Yo, atrevido. Cannabis para mis panas y cada pista la visa pa' tu saga de kit. Que soy el vocero del guero, me voy por el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Si ve lo que digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Mai, por el bajo haciendo ruido. El papi ni nos vimos. Por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más tiros. Soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Ve lo que digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Por el bajo haciendo ruido, Nino. Vimos.
So I'm assuming they're treating the mic as if it was a gun.
Yeah.
Por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más tiro. You know.
That's hard, bro. That song was hard.
Este video fue grabado en el barrio de Boca.
Yeah, Boca.
De la
Bro,
Boca.
La Boca, I think it's a city, bro.
De la Boca. It's a working class area with a cluster in Rio River, steakhouses. Buenos Aires. But it's in Buenos Aires though.
Yeah, look.
So
you
La
see,
Boca
it's
is like it's
like a town.
It's a neighborhood.
So La Boca, that's probably the hood.
That's well it says
That's the
Hey,
hood.
go up, go. This is a neighborhood, a barrio.
Yeah.
So there you go. I guess
What does La Boca mean?
La Boca has probably be the hood part of whatever.
That's tough.
I mean, it makes sense, you know what I'm saying? A lot of good artists come from the hood.
Oh yeah, for
Doesn't
sure.
matter, and that's just global too, so. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you gotta stop freaking farting. Oh my god.
It's just more good or what?
Oh my god. That's
It's
just
you, bro. It's your
nasty,
lip.
Bro.
It's your lip. I'm talking
No.
shit. It's your lip.
Shit. Now that shit, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm tired as hell right now. But that shit kept me up.
That means that shit was
beat,
fire, huh?
That shit was fire as hell, for sure. That shit, I give that shit. I'm gonna give that one an 8.5 out of 10 though. Comment down
I'm
below.
gonna sound 8.5 too.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us on the gram, baby.
Yes.
Let's go.